BrandCore is where we build the identity, purpose, vision, values, personality, and positioning. This is the heart of the brand. We start with the 3 fundamental questions. Why does this brand exist? We'll write this one ourselves. It's personal, and it should feel that way. Why does it matter? Let's see how the AI interprets our brand DNA. It connected the dots between sustainability fatigue and the demand for real luxury. That's exactly the tension we're building on. We'll keep it. Why now? The AI gives us a strong start, but we want to mention the EU Clean Beauty Regulation wave and the post-COVID self-care economy. A few edits, and it's sharper. Our purpose framework is societal. This brand exists to change an industry, not just serve a need. And we'll lean emotional, about 70%. Skincare is personal before it's rational. Now we generate the purpose statement. The AI synthesizes everything above into a single declaration. It's close, we just tighten the language. To reconnect people with nature's intelligence through skincare that honors the earth as much as the skin it touches.